Okay, YouTube, here we are again. 2004 Chrysler Pacifica 3.5 liter intake manifold. I got a misfire on number 6, which is right underneath here, coming right off this intake manifold rail. This is your flap control. I gotta remove this all. I gotta come over here, take these bolts here, one right here holding the stem on. We got one bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt here. All those got to come off. Got to pull your clips, pull your hose, untighten your intake, disconnect the connector for it, untighten your bolts, remove this, pull anything that's connected to the intake, pretty much that you can actually do by hand, which I do. This is a clamp, but I gotta replace this hose anyway, and it's like pull hard if it come right off. And then I got a little clip back down here connected. I removed that too, along with this one. The only thing I got left back here is right up here. I got one bolt here, one bolt there. Pull that off, and then once I got all that off, actually I pulled this bracket off. It's right here. 3 bolts. And then I'll come over here and pull off my intake manifold bolts after that. Okay, I just pulled out the intake bolts. Now I'm going to pull off the intake. Okay, got the intake off. Everything looks okay. Seal looks fine. This is what I did the last video that I made. Put silicone around the base of it. Now these two center washers right along each other. But I'm not getting good movement, so I gotta find a way to keep these two lubricated a little bit inside. Maybe a little bit of grease or something really thick, bearing grease or something, maybe just a tiny little bit of it on the edge of it, inside of it, will make it slide without catching any air. But I'm gonna actually seal this up along this side because I don't need no air coming in and out of here anymore. So that's what I'm gonna do. Here goes my gasket maker. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on that other end, put this back together, put those same bolts that I had just showed you guys, put them back on, and then I'll be set. Should have no more problems, absolutely no problems whatsoever. Seeing that this two washers stay flat, which they should, and right up against each other nicely without air escaping. So that's what I got today, guys. Have a good day.